Okay, you're on.
Alright, so we're gonna fly this bad boy. This thing is dangerous, and this helicopter is really cool. You know how fast these things go. I mean, look at this landing gear that broke. Look. You see where the thing that... Yeah, see, because yesterday I flew it crashed so hard that it just fixed. So here, I want you to just grab it and hold it to it straight. And then I'm going to take it off, alright? Alright. One that broke 2 weeks ago last week. Oh, let's open that wall. No!
Here we go.
It just cut. Oh no. I gotta try to stop it.
I'm not going to do it anymore. I got to do this.
Oh. Gee, oh, we should have got that hit the fan.
I did. It's going back
Oh my
up.
God, it took off. It hit the fan and then it took
Oh
off.
my.
Or the light, whatever it is. It hit it, but it
This
took
thing
off.
is unbelievable. And the focus on this screen is great.
I'm trying to look at the thing.
You just got to keep it up. It's quick.
Well, when it comes in contact with something else, that's when it starts to go out of control. Once that thing gets out of control, there's no stopping this thing from doing what it does. No! Oh my god, that was a hard crash landing. That crash